This particular lesson is to help us with some practical tips on how to bring back all the abandoned guitars back to life. It could be that your guitar right now is somewhere in a corner within your house, under the bed. Yes, it could be under the bed or inside the wardrobe, and it's just sleeping there. Please, this lesson is to give us practical tips on how to revive abandoned guitars and abandoned, interest in our guitar. And that is why in this our channel, which is a community, we don't leave anybody behind. So for some years now, maybe you have left your guitar. It was a birthday gift that somebody gifted you with a lot of love, but you have abandoned it. Or maybe it was a wedding gift, a graduation present. And by the way, most time when people are giving guitars at graduation, they take it with a lot of excitement because they think that guitar guitar or music is something you do when you don't have work. When I finish school, then I can do. No, music is not something you do when you have nothing to do. No, it is something you do because it is part of what you do. So those who receive gifts because they felt now I've finished school, now I'm going to have a lot of time, and they have abandoned the guitar all this while, we are here for you. We are going to bring you back. Can you still remember this? C, F, yes, you remember it. We are here today for you. And please, if you know somebody who has an abandoned guitar at home, please and please, this is our goal today. So we are here to show you simple steps to bring back your guitar to life and to keep it alive forever. Oh, sure. Forever. And it doesn't matter if you are left-handed. Now, there's something. There are those who are given guitars and they discovered they were left-handed. Well, not that they discovered that they are left-handed. They discovered that, there's actually a left-handed guitar and then there's a right-handed guitar. And they were finding it difficult to adjust to the right-handed guitar. So they decided to abandon it. This video is also going to show us how to convert a right-handed guitar into a left-handed guitar. Because some actually are still interested, but they have abandoned their guitars because they feel that, the strings were not well arranged for them to suit their hands. We are here for you, and there's nothing wrong with you. So if you quit because the metal strings, this is another category of people. Some have quitted guitar because these are metal strings, and sometimes when you are starting initially, they kind of hurt. But do you know that importance? The importance of that pen. In this Chinese medicine, we are being revealed that, this our palm. It's a secret I'm telling you now. You see, in this our palm, you can massage the whole body by simply touching parts of this palm. So the guitar, let me tell you the secret. The guitar is made in such a way that if you are touching, the metal strings, it's like you are massaging. That's why it's like you are massaging the body. And that is why when you finish playing the guitar, you feel some peace. Yes, you feel that peace because this metal have massaged your body. But some people have abandoned guitar because the strings were painful. We also tell you what to do about that so that we revive your guitar and make sure we're on board. We leave no one behind. Now, if your first lesson in guitar was boring, yeah, they are telling you, hold this, this. We will tell you what to do. Some people abandon guitar because Their lessons were boring and unnecessarily complicated and all these things. Please, we can play this guitar even without knowing the names. And true to it, sometimes when you go to guitar class, sometimes students are bored with a lot of theories. I've had students who were told by their teachers that, they have to know the names of all these parts before they will start practical. And since the students were finding it difficult to even memorize the names of the parts, they couldn't join the others to do the guitar practical. And because of that, they abandoned guitar. Please, we're here to let you know that even without knowing the name of anything here, whether it's string 1 or string 7 or string 8, you can still play the guitar and be a pro. Now, if you know anybody who falls into these categories, please share this with them so that our community will continue to grow. Man, let me tell you this thing. Let me tell you. The first step towards reviving your passion for guitar is determination and interest. The most important tool is not money. To say, this part is expensive, when you go to buy. No, that is not the most expensive. That is not the most important tool. The most important tool in playing the guitar and being an expert in guitar is the decision to be ready to play again. And once you have made that decision, and I know you have made the decision, please write on the comment section, I have made the decision. I have made the decision. Whether you are already playing, please still write on the comment section, you have made the decision. Oh. I have made the decision. Write it on the comment section. I have made the decision. Guess what? Compare this reviving of your guitar skills to bringing back an old friend. An old friend takes only attention to be brought back, not perfection. So leave perfection aside. Let's focus on attention. Give your guitar attention and it will come back. Give it attention. By attention, I mean, please go physically where that guitar is hiding. If it is in the wardrobe, go and bring it back. Go physically, please. Just pause this video, go physically and bring back that guitar. If it is under your bed, some people have put the guitar under their bed. Go and bring it back. If that guitar has been hanging somewhere in your room, you have hung it so well, it has become a wall decoration. Please take it back, take it down and bring it. This is the decision we are talking about. It's not about talking. Go physically and bring the guitar and let's revive it and let's have it going. Wow. Oh, this is good. Now that you have your guitar, we are going to follow step by step on how to revive a guitar and then continue taking care of it. The first thing, since you have brought it back, the first thing is please clean it. Clean this guitar. Yes. Clean it. It is said that the devil is never afraid of a Bible that has dust or the Quran that has dust because it has not been used. Once you clean it, it is now like you are cleaning dust from your Bible. So the first thing we need to do now is clean your guitar. Clean it. You see all these parts where the dust have accumulated. Clean it. Clean it. Please avoid using water. Don't use water when you are cleaning the guitar. Don't use water or soak it in water. You see all these parts, between the frets. Just let's clean it. That is the first care. We're in the process of reviving our guitar and our interest. Clean it. Clean it. Wow. Woo. After cleaning, please check all the strings. Check all the strings. You know, when they have stayed for long, some develop some, they begin to rust. They, they become very fragile, especially when it's metal and you have kept it, let's say, standing on the floor. It has gathered some, some rust. Please, we check your strings, check, you know, check the strings. And you know what? There could be nothing wrong with these strings even after 10 years. Yeah, please. So we are not going to have any excuse for not starting to play this night, because that is one of the keys you give your guitar is to play it. Is to play it, yeah. Because it is never music until it is played. It is never a guitar until it is played. Yeah. If not, if a guitar is not played and you have a piece of wood, what is the difference between a piece of wood and a guitar that is not played? So we are going to play it. It's one of the keys we give the guitar. We play it. We play it. It feels happy. It feels happy when